I'm Levi, and me and my brother are about to leave North Carolina to head all the way up to the Big Apple, New York City. And from there, we're making the journey through all of New England, hitting Boston, Massachusetts, up to Portland, Maine, going through New Hampshire and Vermont, and stopping in upstate New York. This is the East Coast. Alright, what's up everybody? It's me, Levi, back here with another video. Today, we're in New York City, just like yesterday, but we're actually leaving New York today, and we're going to Boston. That's the next stop. We're gonna stop in Boston and do some stuff today before we head up to New Hampshire, and we're heading to the car right now. We got a few blocks to go, and then once we get there, we're gonna start driving. We're gonna drive up through Connecticut, all the way up into Massachusetts, and feeling good. We slept good. All right, guys, we're like right here, about to go into Connecticut. Hey, Connecticut welcomes you. Hey, New England. We're in New England. First time in New England, first time in Connecticut. All right, boys and girls, we are rolling up to Boston at the moment. See the buildings. We're doing some hiking out here in Boston, but urban hiking. And we're doing the trail that is well known in Boston. It's called the Freedom Trail. It's gonna be amazing. It goes through historical Boston, showing you a bunch of historical sites, Boston Tea Party site, all kinds of stuff like that. And yeah, I'm really excited. We're also trying to eat at the oldest restaurant in America that's been continuously running. All right, so we're out here in Boston now. We're trying to find the Freedom Trail. I don't know if we're on it. Apparently the Freedom Trail has like something on the ground, and I see this. I don't know if that counts, but we're gonna try to find this and then tour around some of the local sites of Boston, some of the historical sites, but we gotta find it first. I'll let you know. Some really old graves right here. Let's just read some of the dates. Yeah, this one died in 1804. Look at this, dude. Like, this is so old. It's like broken.
1691.
This one died on 1691?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's old. Look at all these signs. They're like symbols on the grave.
I don't know.
All right, I got All Trails open, and All Trails has the Freedom Trail on it. So now we won't get lost. We'll just be able to follow some All Trails like normal and follow the Freedom Trail. Guys, look at this church. It says right here, the signal lanterns of Paul Revere displayed in the steeple of this church, April 18th, 1775, warned the country of the march of the British troops to Lexington and Concord. I don't know what's in there, I can't see it, but you guys did. I think we're in like a Little Italy or something in Boston, because there's a bunch of Italian restaurants and
Guys,
stuff.
if you didn't know this, I'm actually Italian. So
Yeah, he is Italian.
I blend in.
I'm not. I'm like Scottish and
Levi's just a white guy.
Polish, German, I don't know. Something. This alleyway looks like reminds me of Diagon Alley just a little bit.
Where's that?
Very cool. Harry Potter.
Oh.
All right, I found it. Union Oyster Bar is right here. Hopefully the wait's not crazy. says established 1826. I don't know. Hey, Levi from the future here. So, if you remember, we were trying to eat at the oldest restaurant in America. And I Googled it right before we got to Boston, and it said that it was the Union Oyster Bar, which is where we are right now. But if you look right behind me, that restaurant right there, as it clearly states, oldest tavern in America. That's where we were supposed to eat. That's the Bell in Hand Tavern, the oldest tavern in America. But Google completely was wrong and told us to go to the Union Oyster Bar, and I guess I just believed it, and so we're gonna eat here. But definitely I'm gonna go back to Boston and eat at the oldest tavern in America at some point in my life, but I guess it just wasn't meant to be on this trip. So yeah, let's go in here and get some food.
So we just got sat down like instantly because you know we're just two of us. So it's pretty sick.
Yeah, I know. Like, we didn't even have to wait. Of course, the most expensive thing on the menu is calling my name. It's $35.
The thing that I'm looking at is, where is it down here? Butterfly shrimp.
All right, we just got out of the restaurants, and now we're about to rent some bikes. They have different bikes here. They have blue bikes instead of city bikes. We're about to rip over to Boston Common. All right, we're on the bikes. We're heading out to Boston Common now. Man, I miss the e-bikes in New York City. Those things were so much nicer. My legs are already burning. My ass is already sore from riding bikes all day yesterday. Cade's back there. Whew. Man. All right, we're in Boston Common, little park area. Freedom Trail runs through here. We kind of lost it on the bikes. I'm gonna try to find it again. Some neat looking art, dude. Just a bunch of arms and hands and things. I don't even know. Okay, well, we have just checked the time and it's already 5 o'clock and we have to move the car by 5:30. And we have to get to New Hampshire because we have to check into our site. Well, I think I put 7:30 on the reservation, so we gotta get there pretty soon. So we're gonna go ahead and get the bikes back, ride down, but I think that we're gonna have to come back to Boston to see the whole Freedom Trail and everything that there is on the trail. I really like this city.
Probably just right on time.
It's a lot cleaner,
Not too far.
smells better than New York.
But,
It's still awesome.
Yeah.
Less bikes, so that's kind of the downside. But yeah, I like it. Definitely gonna come back and see more of the city. We only had a few hours here to tour around just because of time, you know, we had to get up to New Hampshire. Anyways, let's go back to the car, get on the road because we have about 2 hours to New Hampshire. So yeah. Mountains, guys. I believe that's Franconia Ridge over there. I'm not too sure. There's some tall mountains and we're heading towards them. I know that we're staying close to Franconia Ridge, which is a mountain range that's pretty well known out here. The mountains look amazing out here. They're all covered in pine trees and stuff. Everything, everywhere is pine trees. There's so many pine trees out here. Just rolling hills, and the mountains have more prominence. It looks like they're just taller. They're just so much taller than the mountains back home, it feels like. I'm excited. I like mountains. I like the mountains. All right, we made it up here to the campground. I gotta check in real quick. We got river view. Let's check it out. This is the space. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, guys, so we're all set up at camp. It's dark now. We are heading out to go get something to eat. Then we're gonna come back and hit the hay. I think that's it for this video. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and definitely check out some of my other videos. That helps my channel out tremendously. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna go hike. Mount Washington is what we're hiking, and I'm really excited for that. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna see some epic mountains, do some epic hiking. Can't wait. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next adventure. Peace out and live cosmic.